Nung kadete ka ba, meron kang instructor o opisyal sa barko na nagsabi sa'yo na huwag kang masyadong mag-rely sa mga electronic navigation na yan kasi aids lang yan to navigation. Kung isa ka doon sa mga karoon ng mga opisyal at instructor na ganyan, well, panoorin mo tong video na to.
Israeli Navy is calling again your motor vessel in position 3258 minutes north, 3430 minutes east. If you call me sir, please come in. Motor vessel of Israeli Navy, please come in immediately.
Israel Navy, go ahead.
Hello sir, what is your GPS position?
You don't have GPS position at the moment, ma'am?
Okay sir, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I'll call you back once we get GPS position, over.
Well, okay, yung napanood nyo, pwedeng mawala yung GPS in open sea. And in open sea, madali lang kasi dead reckoning lang tayo according to our speed and heading. Pero, what if ganito ang mangyari? So, bakit kaya ito nangyayari? Well, itong na-experience namin, normal na to sa East Mediterranean Sea. Pero, mas lalo lang siyang lumala after nangyari, ito.
Breaking news: in a major escalation of the crisis in the Middle East, Iran has started a direct attack on Israel by launching dozens of drones to attack targets there.
Explosions lit up Israel's night sky as interceptors took down dozens upon dozens of Iranian-launched drones.
Together with our allies and partners across the region, we are operating at this very moment to defend Israel from Iran's attack. So far, we have intercepted the vast majority of incoming missiles by Israeli systems.
For the last several minutes, we've seen these flares streaking all across the skies over Jerusalem. And now, for the first time, we're hearing the air raid sirens.
Guys, ang may hawak kasi ng GPS or ang global positioning system natin is ang US. Syempre, for the safety, yan, kakaroon ng jamming tulad nito.
It's a developing attack that is unfolding in slow motion. The drones take several hours to travel roughly 700 miles from Iran to Israel, giving the Israeli military and its allies time to divert, jam, or shoot them down.
4 na ng umaga, wala pa rin GPS, guys. Mga diskarte dyan, no? Dead recon. Tapos nagtanong lang kami ng position dito. Range and bearing sa radar. Yun, updated. Ang layo, diba? So ayan, after watching this video, nakita natin na kahit nandyan ang mga electronic equipments natin and all the aids navigation na nandyan, dapat as navigator, alam pa rin natin ang very basic stuff. Kasi hindi natin malalaman kailan mangyayari itong special situations na katulad nito sa ating career. So, I hope that we all have safe seas, good watch, and safe voyages to all. Bon voyage!